So I've been in a very contemplative mood lately, but of course I think about what nerds think about. I've been thinking about like the universe and infinity and what that might signify. And I've come to the conclusion that the best way to explain this is through an analogy, and I've come up with one. So let's say you're a computer programmer and you've made this computer program that picks a number between 1 and let's say a million. So you run the program and you happen to land on the number 4,732. This could be any number, really. I mean, it doesn't matter because there's equal chance for landing on any number. So you're like, whoa, it's the 4,732nd number. What is the chances of that? That's like 1 in a million. So your friend walks by and they hear you going crazy about this number thing, and he's like, sorry to be buzzkill, but it's not that special. But it totally is, man. It's like 1 out of a million. What are the chances we landed on that number? Dude, a number from 1 to a million had to be chosen. It wouldn't be any specialer if it landed on any other number. So you may be wondering, where am I going with all this? Well, let's say you stopped being a computer programmer and started being, I don't know, the universe. But you're a new universe and you don't have anything to fill yourself with. You're just empty space. This isn't how universes were supposed to have formed, but whatever. But you do have material to work with, like gases and matter and stuff. And you have a set of rules of physics for those things to abide by. So you go about your merry way making whatever stuff you want to fill your universe for you to not be completely useless. And since you're a huge, possibly infinite, universe, you have a lot of space to fill. So eventually, as you make more stuff, you're gonna run into every single type of circumstance to make any sun or galaxy or planet possible given your laws of physics. And eventually, you're gonna create the perfect circumstances for life. This, my friend, is exactly what our universe has done in its lifetime. And we are the perfect circumstances for life that universe has come up with. It's kind of like using that number program to get a prime number. But if you keep running this program over and over and over, you're eventually going to get a prime number. That's why you shouldn't really be impressed about how mystical it is that we're in the perfect circumstances for life, that if there was just one thing off, we would die. Life wouldn't be existent, because if the circumstances weren't right on Earth, then eventually they'd be right on some other planet, and humans or any other life forms would grow there instead of here. So this begs the question, what if the universe is infinite? What if it goes on forever and every single circumstance that is ever possible given our laws of physics has happened? This will blow your mind, because if that is the case, then there is, a long time ago in a galaxy far, far away, there's the whole Star Wars storyline played out actually in our universe. And there is another place in the universe where the whole Star Wars story is played out somewhere in the universe, but one doorknob on the Death Star is gray instead of black. And there's another one where one of the eyelashes on Luke Skywalker is a fraction shorter than it is in the movie. Crazy to think about. I'm reminded of one of Vihart's videos a while back about if Shakespeare's works are encoded in pi. And this is true if none of the digits are ever repeated. We don't know for sure. But if that is the case, and pi goes on infinitely forever, never repeating, never missing any digits, then not only are the works of Shakespeare encoded in it, but every work by any author ever is written in it. And any combination of our 26-letter alphabet is thought of in pi. Now that I've just blown your mind with the infinite possibilities of an infinite universe, I will like to point out that this may not be true. The universe may not be infinite, and we may never know if the universe is infinite or not. We may be the only life in the universe if the universe isn't infinite. But let me tell you, if the universe is infinite, then we are definitely not the only life there. So I'll see you Saturday. Yeah, I've decided I'm posting vlogs every Saturday and Wednesday. See you then.